skin to fall. Come and free the coals that drift in the snow. Come under my lady and sit down beside me. There's room, dear lassie, believe me for two. Come under my lady and sit down beside me. I'll have you free every cold blast that can blow. Oh, come under my lady and sit down beside me. There's room, dear lassie, believe me for two.
He may be my Gutchan O'Donnell gay war. I'm going to be Johnny, he's young and he's bonny. He's been and makes bridals, he drink and he bra. When he dances so lightly, so graceful, so tightly. His cheeks like the new rose, his brows like the snow.
Daphne stick fast to the wall. Here Jock's but a gowk and his Nathan no more. The halo is pack, he has new on his back. He's 30 and iron with threescore and two. Be frackno and kindly, I'll basky, I find it. To Calcott, to Margaret, Delphiog and Fibro. A minus to Biden, a cheese for to ride. And flunkies to tendy as after you go.
It's true, old Johnny has kept in his body, but ways me ye ken he has Nathan Navarre. I hear little talker, you'd never get offer. I'm no more than 20, my time is but small. Say, give me a lady, and in sit beside ye. I thought you'd been older than 80 and 2.
Beside us Timor, for Johnny was listening and heard her tell. The day was appointed, his prude hair did Dante to strike against his side as if bursting into war. He wandered him weary, the night it was dreary, and full as he tint his gate deep among the snow. The whole it was screaming, while Johnny cried, "Women, what marry old Nick if he'd keep the my